Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on fraxshare. As in my last video, I was telling you that fraxshare is at a very big resistance and we are making another attempt to break out this resistance. But unfortunately, fraxshare was rejected by this resistance that was approximately here at $44. And after breaking down, after getting rejected by this resistance, the price line moved down here at $25. Here we also have a very strong support, and I will tell you why we have a very strong support here. Now, at the same time, when it tested the support and moved up, it also broke out another falling wedge pattern. And in today's video, we will also take a look at this falling wedge pattern. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. And I've also shared the link for this report in the video's description that will show you how many trades I've shared in the last month, and how many trades were successful and how many trades were unsuccessful. And for example, if you would like to verify any trade, then you can just click on the link. It will take you to the chart that I've posted for my members. And I've also, by the way, here I've shared the screenshots how the price line entered the buying zone and hit the sell targets. Or you can just click on the link. It will take you to the trading view. And if you have at least a free account there, then you can just click this play button and it will show you how the price line entered the buying zone and reverse bullish and hit the sell targets. Now let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to recall my recent trade setup that I shared for my members at the Patreon here. That was another harmonic bullish reversal setup, and by the way, this was with the Bitcoin pair, and this was a chart when the price line completed a final leg of a bullish bat move on the 12-hour chart. And our targets were from 44.91 and goes to point 0.004754 BTC, and buying on were starting from here from 42.42 to and goes to 41.58. Now after playing this chart, we can see that the price line turned very strong bullish. Yes, here for one candlestick it was moved down and recovered very soon, and we had a very big rally. Before this, I shared this idea that was a harmonic shark move on the daily time frame, and you can see that even here the price line moved up, hit the sell targets, but again moved down and even broke down the buying zone after hitting the sell targets here. Now let's move to the live 4-hourly time frame chart. First, I would like to show you this chart. And here we can see that we have just moved above the resistance of this falling wedge pattern, and we entered the falling wedge here back in April 2022, and we were making attempts here, but we were continuously getting rejected by this resistance, and recently we are just moved above the resistance of this falling wedge. And if there will be a follow-up of powerful buying volume, then this breakout can be confirmed. Right now, if we take a look at the volume, that is very low. Like we had a very high volume here, but here you can see we are having very low volume. However, the price line is above the resistance. It has broken out the resistance. If this candle will be closed, that will be the first confirmation for the breakout. So far the candle is not even closed above this resistance. Now if we move to this daily time frame chart, this was the resistance that I was showing you in my last video, that here we have a very strong resistance at $44. You can see that we have several rejections here back in December 2021, and recently we are rejected on 3rd of April and moved down. Here we formed a this falling wedge pattern on the smaller time frame, and now we are dropped at the support of $25. Now let's take a look at the support. This is a key support for the price line. You can see previously it had been working as a resistance here, and as a resistance here as well, somehow here as well. The price line had some closing above the resistance but could not break it down. While retesting it, moved down back inside this resistance. Now after breaking out, you can see that we have almost tested this resistance. We moved very close to this support We moved down to $25.70. That was very close to this support, and now we are moving up. And after breaking out this wedge, if the volume, once again I would like to repeat it, that if there will be a buying volume as a follow-up we will see, then we can expect that the price line can make another attempt to break out this very strong and final resistance. And if we take a look at the target for this falling wedge, that is top of the wedge, approximately at $44, that is the same here, where we have this final resistance, very strong resistance. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.